Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to edit your profile information in the GoPuff app. Because if you need to update your email, phone number, or payment info, it's all in one place and it's super quick. So the first step you're going to do is open the GoPuff app and make sure you're signed in. Then you're going to tap Account in the lower right-hand corner. From here, you're going to use two main sections. The first one is Settings. You're going to tap Settings to update things like your phone number or email and any other account details that are shown there. The second section is going to be the Payment section. You go to Payments to add or update your payment method. Make your changes, hit Save if prompted, and you're all set. And that's honestly the best and easiest way I know how to do it. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually edit your GoPuff profile info, let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching.